Well, there are foods that you can eat that have been shown in clinical studies to lower inflammation.
Meet Dr. William Li, a distinguished physician, scientist, and internationally recognized expert in food as medicine. As the respected author of the New York Times best-selling book, Eat to Beat Disease, Dr. Li has garnered global acclaim for his innovative approach to healthcare. He pioneered research that has contributed to developing over 30 new medical treatments, significantly impacting the management of more than 70 diseases. In today's video, we will shed some light on 6 powerful foods recommended by Dr. William Li that can help reduce inflammation and relieve joint pain. Not only that, we will also mention easy recipes to incorporate these foods into your diet for healthy joints. But first, let's understand the causes of joint inflammation and pain. Joint pain, known as arthritis, is commonly caused by several factors, including age-related wear and tear, injury, or inflammation. Osteoarthritis, the most common type, results from the gradual breakdown of cartilage, the tissue that cushions joints, leading to pain, stiffness, and swelling. Other causes of joint pain include gout, which is triggered by the buildup of uric acid crystals in joints. Environmental factors like cold weather can exacerbate symptoms. Managing weight, staying active, and eating a healthy diet can help alleviate joint pain and slow the progression of arthritis. However, it is important to mention that this content is for informational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Now that we have understood the causes of arthritis, let's discuss 6 foods that can protect our joints from inflammation and pain. Our first food is broccoli, a humble green vegetable that can be your secret weapon against joint inflammation and pain. Imagine fighting off the discomfort of arthritis with every bite of this super vegetable. Broccoli is loaded with nutrients that can target inflammation at its source, providing natural relief to aching joints. Its unique combination of compounds makes it an essential part of any anti-inflammatory diet, especially for those struggling with joint pain. But what exactly gives broccoli its joint protective superpowers? This vegetable is packed with sulforaphane, a compound shown to help block enzymes that cause inflammation and cartilage damage, which are 2 major factors in joint pain. Sulforaphane works at the cellular level to prevent the breakdown of cartilage, helping keep your joints flexible and healthy. In addition, broccoli contains vitamin K and calcium, which can play crucial roles in maintaining bone health.
Of benefit when you actually talk about anti-inflammation. So here's what broccoli has. It's got a bioactive that's called isothiocyanate, ITC, all right? And this is powerfully anti-inflammatory. Broccoli is also a good source of vitamin C, as I mentioned earlier. That's number 2, that's the second benefit. And broccoli's got dietary fiber. Good for the gut microbiome, which then lowers inflammation. Isothiocyanate, vitamin C, dietary fiber, a triple whammy that's good for you, all right?
And that's not all. Broccoli is also rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C, which can reduce oxidative stress. This is significant because oxidative stress contributes to inflammation, a leading cause of arthritis and other joint-related issues. For people dealing with chronic inflammation, regularly eating broccoli may help reduce the pain and stiffness in joints over time. A study published in the current issues of Molecular Biology found that broccoli consumption can suppress inflammatory markers in the body, preventing joint pain. This study suggests that adding broccoli to your diet can be a proactive step in managing joint health. Incorporating broccoli into your diet to support joint health is simple and delicious. For a quick, anti-inflammatory meal, try steaming or roasting broccoli with olive oil, garlic, and a sprinkle of turmeric for added inflammation-fighting benefits. This dish not only packs a nutritional punch, but also adds variety to your meals, protecting your joints from inflammation and pain. Before we dive deeper, if you're looking for simple and effective ways to ease joint pain and improve balance naturally, subscribe to the QuickTime newsletter linked below. Each week, we send expert-backed tips, nutritious recipes, and actionable steps to support your health and keep you feeling strong right in your inbox. And now, let's move to another food that helps to fight against joint inflammation: green tea. What if a cup of your daily tea could help you ease joint pain and inflammation? Green tea, A centuries-old beverage known for its wide range of health benefits holds potential hidden powers that could be a game changer for those struggling with joint issues. It's not just about soothing comfort, it's about the anti-inflammatory properties packed into each cup that works at a cellular level to protect your joints from damage and pain. And what makes green tea such an effective remedy for joint inflammation? The secret lies in its rich concentration of polyphenols, especially epigallocatechin 3 gallate.
Green tea contains a catechin, all right, these are polyphenols, that are called EGCG. Epigallocatechin 3 gallate, EGCG. And you know what EGCG does from green tea? It also increases those T reg cells, the same cells that are the volume switch who turn down the volume of your inflammation, turn down the volume of the immune system. Very helpful for autoimmune disease.
This powerful antioxidant can reduce inflammation by blocking the production of molecules that cause joint damage, such as cytokines and prostaglandins. In fact, EGCG can help suppress the degradation of cartilage, which is a major factor in conditions like osteoarthritis. A study published in Antioxidants confirmed that EGCG can slow the destruction of cartilage in joints, helping prevent further deterioration and pain. So, how to incorporate green tea into your daily routine? It's simple. Enjoy 2 to 3 cups of freshly brewed green tea every day. Whether you prefer it hot or iced, a regular intake of green tea can start easing your joint discomfort over time. For an extra boost, add a squeeze of lemon or ginger, both of which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Moving on to tree nuts, another ally in joint health. Imagine snacking on something crunchy and satisfying, knowing that it also has the potential to protect your joints from inflammation and pain. Tree nuts are packed with essential nutrients that can protect your joints from inflammation. But how exactly do these crunchy bites can defend against inflammation and joint pain? Tree nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios as nature's remedy. They are packed with omega-3 fatty acids famous for reducing inflammation. They're also packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant that can not only protect cells, but also help reduce the inflammatory response in the body. Additionally, the fiber in nuts can help lower levels of C-reactive protein, a marker linked to increased inflammation and joint issues. Studies have shown that those who regularly eat nuts may experience a reduction in oxidative stress and inflammation. So, how do you make sure you're getting these joint protective benefits? It's simple. Grab a handful of mixed nuts for a quick snack, or add them to your salads, smoothies, or even baked goods. Try pairing walnuts with leafy greens like spinach, or toss some almonds into your oatmeal for a morning boost. Regularly incorporating tree nuts into your meals could lead to a significant reduction in inflammation and joint pain, helping you move with more ease and comfort. Now, let's turn to our next nutritional powerhouse, white beans, another excellent food to keep your joints healthy and pain-free. Picture a simple, everyday pantry staple helping to work wonders for your joints, white beans. Not only are they rich in protein and fiber, but these humble beans also offer an impressive array of nutrients that can make a real difference for those dealing with arthritis or other joint issues. So, what gives white beans their joint protective benefits? White beans are an excellent source of magnesium, a key mineral that can play a major role in regulating inflammation in the body. Magnesium can help reduce the discomfort and swelling often associated with joint pain. Not only this, white beans also contain copper and zinc, which can support collagen production, an essential component for maintaining healthy cartilage in your joints. Inflammation can lead to joint damage over time, but by adding white beans to your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to keep your joints flexible and strong. And let's not forget the high levels of fiber in white beans. According to a research study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, fiber can significantly reduce levels of C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation in the body. This makes white beans an essential food for keeping joint inflammation in check. Wondering how to incorporate white beans into your diet? It's simple. Add them to soups, salads, or casseroles, or whip up a quick white bean hummus with olive oil and garlic. For an anti-inflammatory boost, pair them with turmeric or ginger, as both spices are known for their ability to fight inflammation. In just one meal, you can nourish your joints and ease the pain naturally. Next up, let's explore citrus fruits as they can also help protect your joints from inflammation. Citrus fruits, like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, are more than just a vitamin C boost. These vibrant fruits are packed with nutrients that can fight joint inflammation, offering a natural way to ease discomfort and promote joint health. So, what gives citrus fruits their joint-protecting abilities is their high concentration of vitamin C. This essential vitamin is key to collagen production, the protein that can help maintain the structure and integrity of your cartilage. Beyond vitamin C, citrus fruits also contain powerful antioxidants, like flavonoids, which may show anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants can help reduce oxidative stress. For those suffering from conditions like arthritis, consuming citrus fruits can be a natural way to reduce joint pain and stiffness. A research study published in the International Journal of Molecular Science showed that people who consumed higher amounts of vitamin C from foods like citrus fruits had a significantly lower risk of developing inflammatory arthritis.
Now, how much vitamin C in the food was beneficial? Well, the dose that they calculated from this research study was 154 milligrams per day of vitamin C. All right? So what does that translate into in terms of the foods? Well, I'll tell you, that's the amount of vitamin C that you would find in only 1/5 of a large orange. That's probably 4 slices of that orange, or 1.5 cups of sliced strawberries.
Start by incorporating citrus into your meals and snacks. Enjoy a fresh orange with breakfast, squeeze lemon juice over salads, or blend grapefruit into smoothies. These simple steps can give your joints the nutrients they need to stay healthy and reduce inflammation. You can also try this refreshing anti-inflammatory citrus salad. Toss together segments of oranges and grapefruits with a drizzle of olive oil, a handful of walnuts, and a sprinkle of turmeric. It's a zesty, flavorful dish packed with ingredients that can work in harmony to soothe your joints and fight inflammation. Next up, let's explore the healing powers of bone broth, a natural remedy that goes beyond flavor to protect your joints and ease inflammation. Imagine sipping warm, nourishing bone broth that can not only comfort, but also shield your joints from pain and inflammation. Bone broth is a centuries-old remedy now gaining popularity for its remarkable benefits for joint health. Packed with nutrients that can protect your joints, this simple broth can prove to be a powerhouse for anyone looking to ease inflammation and reduce discomfort. But what exactly makes bone broth so effective against joint inflammation and pain? What actually happens? The collagen in the bone broth actually goes into your stomach. Now, your stomach has got stomach acid and it's digesting everything, including chopping up the collagen, right? And so I used to think, well, if that's happening, which we know it does, then the collagen is no good, right? You're not really getting collagen into your system. But research has now shown that when you cut up and chop up and digest the collagen into pieces, this is known as collagen fragments. And collagen fragments getting absorbed into the bloodstream do wind up activating certain cells, including joint cells, to secrete more collagen. And it can be anti-inflammatory. Bone broth, made from simmering bones and connective tissue, helps replenish the body with collagen. And it doesn't stop there. Bone broth is also packed with glycosaminoglycans like glucosamine and chondroitin, compounds known for their potential role in supporting joint health and reducing inflammation. These nutrients can help rebuild cartilage and reduce the wear and tear that can lead to chronic joint issues like arthritis. Bone broth is also rich in amino acids, such as proline and glycine, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Proline can support collagen production, while glycine may fight oxidative stress, a known cause of joint damage and inflammation. Together, they can form a powerful combination that promotes joint flexibility and reduces pain. Whether it's a standalone drink or the base for a nourishing soup, bone broth can easily be part of your routine. Start with a homemade bone broth by simmering beef or chicken bones for hours, or choose a high-quality store-bought option. Either way, you're giving your joints the nutrients they need to stay healthy and pain-free. So, that is all for the 6 wonderful foods that can help protect your joints from inflammation and pain. But even with the right foods in your bucket, you might be missing an essential element missing from your diet that can further support your joint health. maybe your lifestyle could play an important role in supporting your joints. So, join us in the next video to uncover the top 5 healthiest habits that not only reduce inflammation, but also help to prevent the deposition of uric acid in our joints.